Hello, my friends. I'm conducting an experiment today. I'm quite excited about it. When I fill up a cup, I generally pour down one side. I call that the dirty side. And then when I pour onto the canvas, I pour out what I would call the clean side. And I usually mention that in my videos. Well, in my video number 85, I had two cups, and I was very careful to pour one this way. And then the other one, I didn't pay attention to the clean or dirty side, and I poured what I thought was the same way, and I liked the dirty side better than the clean side. One of my astute viewers, Loretta, hello Loretta, pointed that out. So it made me think, well, I should do an experiment and compare the two side by side to see if that was just a fluke or if there's something to it. I just always thought that pouring out of what I would call the clean side made sense, but you know, who knows? So I'm actually going to do two things at once. I'm going to pour out of the clean side this way, and then I'm going to come back this way to see what different look we get. And then I'll do the dirty side, pour that way and that way. So let's see. Nothing exciting about the colors or pouring medium. I'm strictly experimenting here, so here we go. I'm going to fill them up exactly the same. Hope I have enough paint. I'm just using some very inexpensive paint, but I didn't even have enough. I had to boost the color with some other paint, so it's not worth me trying to tell you what colors I used. I changed up both the yellow and the pink melon, it was called. I added some cad red to it. So there, I just told you what I did. I just can't see that. Well, yeah, I didn't really think it would be that different, but I can, because it's the layering of the paint is different. Like the blue is not reaching all the way over there. It would look different as I pour it out. So that's interesting to realize. I may not have enough to come back the other direction. Maybe that'll be an experiment for another time. I think I'll just do two side by side. I'm not expecting to come up with a beautiful result. I just want to see the result. At the time you're watching my last about 10 videos, I'm out of town. I'm in Arizona visiting my sister again. So I did a bunch of videos ahead of time. All right, that's about, oh, I have more blue, good. Okay, those are about as identical as I can get them. Okay, so dirty, clean. I'm going to turn this way so I don't forget. And I'm going to start with the clean side. Get out of my way. There we go. I'm going to do traveling, what do you call this? Jiggle pour? Okay, that was from the clean side of the cup. That's pretty in there. And now pouring from the dirty side. Isn't that interesting? And it's not like it's opposite. It's totally different. Huh. The middle section looks very similar, which you would expect. That's fascinating. I don't think I prefer one side over the other. I guess the difference in appearance really depends on the order of layering in your cup. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. It depends on which side you pour it from. And I guess you need to take into account what color you want to dominate. I mean, obviously, the yellow dominates here and the blue there. Wow, that's fascinating to me. Okay, well, let's move it around and see what we get. I'll just go side to side. This is pretty thick. It's this multi-surface paint. It's a little thicker than regular craft paint, which is good in a way. I think the colors are quite vivid. Well, thank you, Loretta, for bringing that up. That was fascinating. I wonder what it would be like to pour from the side of the cup, in between the two. I'll turn this around so you can watch what I'm doing. I'm going to send the weight of the paint back here and then kind of come this way, so I have a bit of a dip there. So I have it like this in the center, just for interest, hopefully. Oh, this rainbow thing going on here is quite pretty. I want to lose that. Okay, I'll stop there. That's what I wanted to do. Well, that was, I think it was fascinating. Yeah, I'm not even unhappy with the result. It's kind of fun. But I found that quite quite informative, and it's something to consider when you pour. I guess you have to give more thought to the layering, the colors, and then what you want to dominate. So there we go. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.